My Econ is a 12-year-old, debt-free, technology-driven company based in Atlanta, Georgia, and has empowered its associates to generate over $400 million in cash flow. Our mission is to empower people to attain personal financial success, which is simply having enough cash flow to support our lifestyles both during our working years and our retirement years. See, during our working years, the money for our lifestyle is generated as we work jobs or build businesses. However, during our retirement years, the money must be generated by assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts, which can produce passive income for us. To attain personal financial success, most people need more cash flow to support their current lifestyles and more cash flow to invest to build passive income for retirement or financial freedom. So we use a strategy called income shifting to empower our associates to generate cash flow 5 ways. The 5 new cash flow streams are generated by correcting tax withholding, minimizing taxes on business income, generating business income, debt elimination, and creating passive income. Let's look at each one in more detail. The first cash flow stream is correct tax withholding. The IRS says 80% of all employees have too much money withheld from their paychecks for taxes. Now, when you have too much money withheld for taxes, you lose money because of ROI, or return on investment. See, your money has value, and you can use your money to make money by investing or paying off debt early, which can save you significant dollars in interest payments. However, when the IRS is investing your money in the IRS's name instead of your name, you lose money, or your ROI. Imagine how much money you lose if the IRS holds $3,000 or $5,000 of your money your entire working life. Even the IRS suggests that it would be better if people correct their W-4 to maximize their take-home pay and use it for investing or debt elimination. At My Econ, we consistently see people increase their take-home pay by $200 to $800 monthly. Now, I just talked about one method, which shifts cash flow back into your pocket. Let's look at another method. The second method for income shifting is minimizing taxes on business income. When a person actively builds a business, they can qualify for business deductions, which can lower their taxes big time. Employees are already spending money on many things that could be tax deductible if they only actively started building a business as well. Let's look at a few potential deductible expenses. A home-based business owner who uses his personal vehicle to build a business can take tax deductions for some of the expenses by deducting business mileage at about 55 cents per mile, or by deducting a percentage of expenses like gas, tires, insurance, lease payments, interest on vehicle loans, and the original cost of the vehicle. Business owners may also deduct expenses for cell phones, internet access, and other communication expenses. Travel and lodging incurred while also doing business can be tax deductible as well. Mixing business with pleasure via meals and entertainment can grow a business and also be tax deductible. Home-based business owners can also hire their children to help with business and pay them tax deductible wages instead of giving them allowances or buying things for them. I just talked about a few common deductions for home-based business owners, but there are hundreds of other potential deductions which you'll discover. Let's look at our third cash flow stream. Business income. The foundation of our business is empowering people to attain personal financial success and increasing their cash flow. We do this by helping them grow business income and minimize their taxes, debt, and expenses. Our number one product at My Econ is our financial success membership. The membership includes our income shifting strategy, our CASHFLOW Manager software, which enables you to track your receipts and your mileage for tax deductions. It's also available to members as a free app for smartphones, tablets, and computers. Identity theft protection, which monitors the use of your personal info and will pay up to $1 million to help you restore your good name if a breach occurs. Free and discounted legal services, a credit education system which empowers you to improve your credit, plus discount travel and corporate perks. We also market additional discount products and services to the general public via our powerful retail strategy. We display our products and services on each associate's websites. Our associates simply refer customers to their website, where customers order products online and save money. Products are shipped directly to the customers and you get paid. You have no responsibility for inventory or shipping, and the system is great because you can actually build a successful business without the headaches and expenses of a traditional business. Some of our key products are identity theft protection, credit education, which empowers your customers to improve their credit scores, CASHFLOW Manager software, which tracks and records income tax and cash flow records, discount travel for most major brands, great nutritional products and healthy beverages, plus a cashback mall with over 1,000 stores and millions of products. Many of the stores are household names like Walmart, Macy's, and Best Buy, and we have many more products which we don't have time to discuss in this limited presentation. You may recognize that most of the products that you can sell are also provided to you for free as an associate, which not only adds value to your membership, but also allows you to create personal testimonials and get to know your products better as well. To add to that, we also have a world-class compensation plan. When you've personally generated over $200 in sales commission value, CV, or enrolled just 2 other members, you are promoted to our first leadership position, Executive Vice President. As an EVP, you receive up to 100% of the commission value on personal product sales and up to 85% of the commission value on team product sales. You've never had to recruit anybody to be successful in My Econ, but there are millions of people that can benefit by using our strategies. You help people and build a marketing team simultaneously, and as an EVP, you also earn $35 on each new person you enroll, plus up to $25 on each new person that enrolls on your team. Imagine having 25, 50, or even 100 new people enroll on your team weekly. Top associates at My Econ are earning thousands of dollars weekly in upfront commissions. In addition to upfront commissions, you also earn monthly residual income in retail product sales. Imagine earning $5 to $10 monthly residual on each active associate on your team. Then imagine having a team of 500 or even 5,000 active teammates. That's a basic overview of our compensation plan, but getting into our fourth income stream, let's look at an example of someone who's acquired an additional $1,000 monthly by adjusting their W-4, minimizing taxes, and generating some business income. In this example, they add the $1,000 monthly to a $545 payment on a $17,000 car loan that's scheduled to be paid off in 32 months. The new payment of $1,545 monthly eliminates that loan in just 12 months instead of 32. When the car loan is eliminated, he has $1,545 a month to pay on the next debt. He adds this to his credit card payment of $200 monthly on an $8,000 credit card balance, which is scheduled to be paid off in 78 months, and the new payment of $1,745 eliminates the credit card balance in just 5 months instead of the original 78 months. Eliminating the credit card debt frees up an additional $200 a month, which makes his available cash flow for debt elimination $1,745 a month. When the business owner adds this extra $1,745 to his $1,200 monthly mortgage payment, he eliminates his $200,000 mortgage in a mere 68 months or 5.5 years instead of the original 30 years. The bottom line is, they eliminated $225,000 of debt in 7 years, saved over $352,000 in interest, and freed up $2,945 a month. These examples absolutely show that income shifting is America's #1 personal financial success strategy. Let's look at our fifth cash flow stream. In this example, the business owner uses the available cash flow that was created using the prior methods to begin investing to create passive income. If the part-time business owner invests the $2,945 monthly and earn an 8% annual rate of return, he would have over $538,000 in 10 years. And in 15 years, he would have over $1 million. This example shows the financial power of income shifting in a home-based business. The bottom line is, income shifting makes sense and is far more powerful than sales alone. But to start, you're going to need the system, the software, the support, and of course a home-based business. Luckily, My Econ offers you all of this in an easy and convenient membership at a bargain price. When you sign up, you'll get a personalized website, our world-class business system, and our financial success membership. Remember, our membership includes our income shifting strategy, world-class financial software, identity theft protection, free and discounted legal services, credit education services, plus our discount travel and corporate perks. You also receive valuable tax benefits that save most people more money than it costs them to get started in My Econ. With all that, you probably expect to pay $500 plus to get started, but you won't even pay $100, not even $50. To get started, it just costs $34.95, and to keep your business active and qualify for the tax benefits throughout the year, it's just $34.95 a month to keep it. Get back to the person that shared this with you to get started today and start saving and making money immediately. Here's to your personal financial success. Thanks for watching.